am Nanni and this is my channel. Welcome! It's a rainy day. What can we do in a rainy day? Of course, RC cars. And in this video I'll go in the water and I'll show you how to recover your car after being in the water. In the last years, all the factories make cars that are waterproofed, but they don't care about rust and bearings and all the mechanical parts. So you have to protect them. In this video, you will know how to do it. Let's go to have fun. Now it's time to give a good wash. So, first of all, switch the car off. Take the battery out. This we will wash later. In the battery compartment there's almost no water. Fantastic. Wonderful! How do we wash the car? It's very easy. Now we have to dry it. The best thing you can do is to use this air. The problem is that wheels are vented, so water gets into. You can do a lot of things. Undo the wheels, put in a warm place and wait for water to evaporate. This is a good thing. You can't open, they are not bead locks, so you can do. Another thing you can do is to squeeze them and try to let all the water get out. Next work, take out the wheels. Save the bolt. About the wheels, this is another problem. We have to dry them and this will be a long work. But before drying completely the car, don't wait the car to be dried. Use this and try to put it in every place that there's a bearing or something that's moving. It doesn't matter you put it in the precise exact place. What matters is to prevent rust. Okay. Leave it. Now you can leave it in this position, work on the tires and then return back. Okay, I leave it here. Remember, when you have to go into the water, look at this. You have to solve this problem. Then wash the car immediately. Then use something like this to protect, to prevent rust. Then comment, like and subscribe. I hope you like it. Bye bye, up to the next.